Okay, hope this makes sense, but the so-called ABI axis is the axis that is horizontal on the real numbers and vertical on the BI. So the 0.3 comma 3 of is basically supposed to be the rectangular coordinates is 3 comma 3. So that's 3 units to the right and 3 units up. In trig, I always draw horizontal first and vertical second. That way I keep the angle on the axis. So 3, 3 is like that triangle, and this is the theta of the rotation. The theta of the rotation's on the x-axis because 0 degrees is right here. Yes. So the angle is the r. R is how far you are from 0. So the r is the hypotenuse right here of the triangle. So the r is just a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the r, therefore, is 9 plus 9, 18. It's the square root of 18, which is reduced to 3 radical 2. Because 18 is 9 times 2, and you pull the 3 out. Okay? The theta you should recognize as 45 degrees because the opposite and the adjacent are the same. Now, this being the theta down here, the tangent of theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. You can do that on your calculator. Second tan 3 over 3, and the theta ends up being 45 degrees. Oh shoot, you're in radians, and that's a whole different ball game. So you're in 45 degrees is pi fourths radians. I can send you another unit circle one if you wish. So the ABI, the 3 plus 3i that you're converts to what I call rcis theta. Rcis is a simple way of saying r times the cosine of theta, there's the c, plus the I sine of theta. So the angle here, the r is 3 radical 2, that's this number, and the theta is 45 degrees, what you would call pi fourths because of the problem. Let me see if I can fit that in. So that's the answer you're looking for in the question that Randy sent me. Choosing the answers from, it's an A, B, C, D, E. The way A is written, and I think A is the correct answer, the R, 3 radical 2, is distributed already. So rather than write the 3 radical 2 on the outside, it's written on the inside. So check this out. The cosine of pi fourths is radical 2 over 2, and the sine of pi fourths is also radical 2 over 2. Those are unit circle answers. So look at what happens. That makes root 4, which is 2, by 2, and you get 3. Ditto over here. That makes 2. 2 over 2 cancels, and you've got 3i, which is the ordered pair 3, 3. I could go through all the other answers. What's B missing? B is missing the R of radical 2. It's 3 cis pi fourths. So the 3 is given to both of these, and the I is right there. Huh? So the R is already distributed, and you could see you're not going to get 3 when you distribute that. Hope that makes sense. The whole thing is based on the ABI axis, and the fact that the r cis theta fits in there in a dartboard fashion. So the ordered pair you just sent me to was 3, 3. There's the radius 3 radical 2 right here, and the theta in trig is 45 degrees.